bumper nose. We don't want a bumper. You want a bumper nose? No. No. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Yay! Great. Rocking Rachel. Rocking Rachel. She gets to play with it as much as she wants today because it's her birthday.
Good doggy.
Hi,
Hey, can we open another present?
well, hold on. She's still playing with this one, I think. No pushing. We talked about that.
Happy birthday, Rachel.
Audrey, no. She, yeah. She's pretty happy. Yay! Birthday present.
Hey, we should sing
Rachel,
the happy
get going.
birthday song to her.
Oh, we should. You want to sing it?
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rachel. Happy birthday to you.
That's right, we were singing.